Many people want to speak English fluently, but they are afraid to start. Some people think their pronunciation is not good. Some people worry about grammar mistakes. Others feel shy because they think people will laugh at them. But the truth is very simple. Nobody speaks perfect English in the beginning. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Even children make mistakes when they learn to speak their first language. They learn by practicing every day. In the same way, you must practice English daily without fear. The first step to fluency is opening your mouth and speaking. Do not wait for perfect grammar or perfect pronunciation. Start with very simple sentences. Stand in front of a mirror and say, "My name is Rahim. I am learning English. I want to speak fluently." Repeat these sentences every day. Small daily practice builds confidence slowly. Confidence is the key to speaking naturally. Listening is also very important. Listen to slow English conversations, podcasts, and motivational speeches every day. When you listen, do not only hear the words. Repeat the speaker's sentences loudly. This method is called shadowing. It helps improve pronunciation, fluency, and speaking speed. At first, it may feel difficult, but after some days, you will notice improvement. Your mouth will slowly become comfortable with English sounds. Many learners spend too much time studying grammar rules. Grammar is important, but communication is more important. If people understand your message, your speaking is successful. Use simple English in your daily life. Say things like, "I am happy today," "I need to work hard," or "I want to improve my future." Simple sentences are powerful because they are useful in real conversations. Try to think in English during your daily activities. When you wake up, say, "I need to wash my face." While eating, say, "I am eating breakfast." While working, say, "I am busy now." These small habits train your brain to think directly in English. Fluent speakers do not translate every sentence from their native language. They think naturally in English. Do not lose motivation if your progress feels slow. Fluency takes time. Daily practice creates long-term success. Even 15 or 20 minutes of practice every day can change your life. Stay consistent and believe in yourself. One day you will speak English confidently and naturally. To become fluent in English, you must train your brain every day. Many people know grammar and vocabulary, but they cannot speak fluently because they translate everything in their minds. Translation makes speaking slow and difficult. If you want to speak naturally, you must learn to think directly in English. Start with small thoughts. When you wake up in the morning, say, "Today will be a good day." While drinking tea, say, "This tea is hot." When you go outside, say, "The weather is beautiful today." These simple thoughts train your brain slowly. At first, you may need time to think, but after regular practice, your brain will become faster. Listening practice is one of the best ways to improve fluency. Watch English videos with subtitles and listen carefully to pronunciation and sentence patterns. Repeat the speaker's words and copy the tone and emotion. This method improves your speaking naturally. The more you listen, the easier English becomes. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every successful English speaker made mistakes in the beginning. Speaking without practice is impossible. Confidence grows through action. If you wait for perfect grammar, you may never start speaking. Vocabulary is important, but you should learn words smartly. Do not memorize hundreds of random words. Learn useful words that you can use in daily conversations. For example, improve, success, confidence, practice, focus. Then make simple sentences with those words. This helps you remember vocabulary easily. Reading also improves fluency. Read easy English stories, conversations, and articles every day. Reading teaches sentence structure and natural expressions. Writing is also helpful. Write a short English diary daily. Write about your day, your goals, or your feelings. Writing practice improves speaking because it teaches your brain how to create sentences. Consistency is the real secret of fluency. Studying for 5 hours one day and then stopping for a week will not help much. Daily practice is more powerful. Create a simple routine. Listen in the morning, speak during the day, and read or write at night. Small habits create big success over time. Always stay positive. Tell yourself, I can improve. I'm learning every day. I will become fluent. Positive thinking increases confidence and motivation. Believe in yourself and continue practicing every day. Many people start learning English with excitement, but after a few days they stop practicing. That is why they never become fluent. Daily practice is the biggest secret of success. Even 30 minutes of practice every day can create huge improvement over time. Start your day with English listening practice. Listen to a short podcast or motivational speech and repeat the sentences. This improves pronunciation and speaking rhythm. Then practice speaking simple sentences about your daily life. For example, today I woke up early. I worked hard today. I want to improve my English. Real life. English is more useful than difficult textbook English. Speaking alone is also a powerful method. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. Ask simple questions and answer them. For example, how are you today? What did you do today? This practice builds confidence and removes fear. Pronunciation improves through listening and repetition. Listen carefully to native speakers and repeat their words. Try to copy their speaking style. However, remember that a perfect accent is not necessary. Clear communication is more important than sounding perfect. Writing practice also helps speaking. Keep a small English diary. Write simple sentences about your life, your work, and your dreams. Writing improves vocabulary and grammar naturally. Reading is another excellent habit. Read simple English stories or articles every day. Notice how sentences are formed. Try to use similar patterns in your speaking practice. Reading makes your brain familiar with natural English structure. Never fear mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Confidence grows slowly through action and repetition. Use your free time wisely. Instead of spending too much time on social media, spend some time practicing English. Listen to English while walking, traveling, or relaxing. Small practice sessions during the day can create big improvement. Stay motivated by remembering your goal. Maybe you want a better career, better communication skills, or more confidence. Keep your goal clear in your mind. Motivation becomes stronger when your purpose is strong. Finally, remember this important truth. Fluency is not magic. It is a skill built through daily practice. If you listen, speak, read, and write English every day, you will definitely improve. Believe in yourself and never stop learning. One day you will speak English confidently, naturally, and fluently.